Good afternoon, everyone. Today we're in central Illinois, right in the smack dab in the middle of the state in Amish country, checking out Aikman's Wildlife Safari. Okay, that concludes the driving tour, which, as you can see, lots of people are wanting to do today. Very busy. So we just did the trail. Now we're going to check out other stuff. Wearing a mask since this was shot during COVID-19. Museum of Prehistoric Life. That sounds really cool. Since this is in the midst of the pandemic, we're trying to avoid outdoor activities, so that sounds like something I might want to come back and do in the future. So this was shot in the middle of August of 2020. And it's kind of hot today, but in the shade, it's real nice. I want to say, in the shade, it's somewhere between 75 and 80 degrees, which if you're from the Midwest, that's very nice for this time of year. Depending on where you're from, that might sound hot or that might sound cold. But here, that's very nice. Nice little playground area. Look at this. Ignore the styrofoam cup. There's one thing I'm a sucker for. It's a nice water feature. Yeah, I'm definitely a fan. Just a few minutes ago, this path was just crawling with people. Now it's almost deserted. It doesn't hurt that this is a dead end behind me, so people just come and turn around and go the other way. It's actually very crowded here today. What appears to be some Valentine's Day imagery. By the way, earlier I think I called this Aikman Wildlife Safari. There you go, Wildlife Adventure. My bad. Usually these type of things have the word safari in them. And here we go, going down another long windy path. I did want to point something out. I think this place is a great deal money-wise. I don't like quoting exact numbers of how much it costs because it could very well be different by the time you watch this. But for the price of doing the driving tour, plus the price of doing the walking tour, they're included if you do it a certain way. It's a really good deal. And I definitely think it's worth it. I've been to other places like this that charge a lot more and give you a lot less. White-nosed coatimundi, member of the raccoon family. Just trying to time it so that I could get a shot. I think I timed it the worst possible moment. So here we have a peacock on the left and a peahen on the right, which is a female peacock. In general, when it comes to birds, the males are colorful and the females are not colorful. Because females are attracted to bright colors. So there you go. Not always, but usually. And we didn't do a wagon trail or anything like that. I wonder if we would get to ride in this thing if we did. I just gotta tell you, I'm having a really good time today. If you do come, you have to do the walking tour. They have a deal where you can load up a car and pay a flat fee, but you don't get to do the walking tour. The driving tour is nothing compared to the walking tour here. This walking tour is one of the better ones I've done. The watering hole. Drinks, ice cream, snacks, slushies. Homemade ice cream, huckleberry mud, brown swirl brownie, lemon, chocolate, vanilla, peach, mint chip. Also various flavors of shaved ice. It's got me wanting some, I can't lie to you. I don't know if that's in the cards for today though. We do have other plans when it comes to meals. Exit through the gift shop. Here you have the various costs of running a facility like that. Also where you can do donations. And even take it a step further and adopt an animal. And here we have an aerial view. So if I'm not mistaken, I think we're in this building right here. Mark where you're from. Unfortunately, I don't think there's any room to show where I'm from. High concentration. We are somewhere in this general area, and I am from somewhere in this general area. Take a look at this giant thing. There is a full-size door right there for comparison's sake. Let me try this out. Whoa! Okay, let's see if we can get out of here. Whew. Crazy. So that concludes our visit to Aikman Wildlife Adventure, but I think we still have more on our agenda for today. Stopped in Champaign-Urbana, Illinois, I think is how it's pronounced, for Portillo's hot dogs. Haven't had that in a while. It was nice. Anyway, that's going to do it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check back every day. Peace out.